Hi, this is NV Audifab. Welcome to today's video, where we'll show you how to DJ with Apple Music, whether you're online or offline. If you're looking to DJ online using Apple Music, there are several great DJ software options that let you stream directly from Apple Music: Rekordbox, Virtual DJ, Serato DJ, Tractor DJ, and J Pro. But what if you want to DJ offline, or use Apple Music in DJ software like Pioneer DJ or Engine DJ that doesn't support Apple Music natively? No worries, here's how you can make it happen with Audifab Apple Music Converter. Audifab is a great tool for downloading Apple Music songs in high quality, including Apple Music lossless, while preserving album covers. It supports formats like MP3, WAV, ALAC, and more. In this demo, we'll use the Windows version of Audifab. Download and open Audifab Apple Music Converter. The Apple Music web player will pop up. Now, find the playlist or album you want to download. Click to add. Select the songs you want and click Add. Head to Settings to choose your preferred output format and tweak any other settings you need. Once done, close the settings window. Click Convert. When the conversion is complete, the output folder will open, and your songs with ID3 tags will be saved to your computer. Now, just open any DJ software, drag and drop your converted songs, and you're ready to go. That's it for today's guide on how to DJ with Apple Music. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials. Happy DJing!